green tea is one of the most popular drinks in the world. It offers various potential health benefits, such as weight loss and improved heart health. Matcha, a particular variety of green tea, is marketed as even healthier than other types. It is grown and prepared differently than other green teas. What's more, the whole tea leaf is consumed. However, you may wonder if matcha lives up to the hype. This video explains whether matcha is healthier than other green teas. What is matcha? Matcha and regular green tea both come from the Camellia sinensis plant, which is native to China. However, matcha is grown differently than regular green tea. The tea bushes are shielded from sunlight for about 20 to 30 days before harvest. The shade triggers an increase in chlorophyll levels, which turns the leaves a darker shade of green and increases the production of amino acids. After harvesting, the stems and veins are removed from the leaves. They are then stone ground into a fine, bright green powder known as matcha. Because the whole leaf powder is ingested, matcha is even higher in some substances such as caffeine and antioxidants than green tea. 1 cup of standard matcha, made from 4 teaspoons of powder, generally packs about 280 milligrams of caffeine. This is significantly higher than a cup of regular green tea, which provides 35 milligrams of caffeine. However, most people don't drink a full cup of matcha at once because of its high caffeine content. It's more common to drink 2 to 4 ounces, 59 to 118 milliliters. Caffeine content also varies based on how much powder you add. Matcha, which can have a grassy and bitter taste, is often served with a sweetener or milk. Matcha powder is also popular in smoothies and baking. How is it prepared? While regular tea is made from soaked leaves, matcha is made from ground, whole leaves. It is usually prepared in the traditional Japanese way. The tea is measured with a bamboo spoon, or shashaku, into a heated tea bowl known as a chawan. Hot water, about 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius, is then added to the bowl. The tea is whisked with a special bamboo whisk, called a chasen, until it becomes smooth with froth on top. Matcha can be prepared in several consistencies. Standard. Most people mix 1 teaspoon of matcha powder with 2 ounces, 59 milliliters, of hot water. Use matcha, thin. This thinner version uses about half a teaspoon of matcha mixed with 3 to 4 ounces, 89 to 118 milliliters, of hot water. Koyacha, thick. Sometimes used in Japanese tea ceremonies, this thick version takes 2 teaspoons of matcha for 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, of hot water. There is no foam, and a higher grade of matcha is required. Remember that you don't need special equipment to make a good cup of matcha. A cup, a teaspoon, and a small whisk will do just fine. Health benefits of matcha. Since matcha is simply a variety of green tea, it has most of the same health benefits. However, because matcha is more concentrated in antioxidants, a single cup may be equivalent to about 3 cups of regular green tea. Studies suggest that it may reduce the risk of kidney and liver damage while lowering blood sugar, triglyceride, and cholesterol levels. Here are the main health benefits associated with drinking matcha green tea. Packed with antioxidants. Dietary antioxidants counteract free radicals in your body, protecting cells and tissues from damage. Matcha is very high in antioxidants, especially catechins. Its most powerful catechin is epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. EGCG has been studied extensively. It may fight inflammation in your body, help maintain healthy arteries, and promote cell repair. What's more, whole leaf teas contain more antioxidants than tea bags or ready-to-drink products. One study found that matcha contains up to 137 times more antioxidants than a low-grade variety of green tea and up to 3 times more antioxidants than other high-quality teas. May reduce your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the biggest cause of death worldwide. Many factors are known to increase heart disease risk. Drinking green tea may help improve several of these risk factors, including total cholesterol, LDL, bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood sugar levels. Furthermore, green tea may protect against the oxidation of LDL, bad cholesterol, another major heart disease risk factor. Studies show that people who drink green tea have up to a 31% lower risk of heart disease than those who don't. This is mainly attributed to the antioxidants and plant compounds in green tea, which are found in even higher amounts in matcha. May aid weight loss. Green tea has often been associated with weight loss. In fact, it's a common ingredient in many weight loss supplements. Human studies reveal that green tea increases your total calories burned by boosting your metabolic rate. It has also been shown to increase selective fat burning by up to 17%. However, keep in mind that green tea is only a very small piece of the weight loss puzzle and not all studies agree that it helps. A recent review concluded that the weight loss effects of green tea are so small that they are not of clinical importance. May boost relaxation and alertness. In addition to being a great source of antioxidants, green tea contains a unique amino acid called L-theanine. In fact, matcha boasts much higher levels of L-theanine than other types of green tea. L-theanine may increase alpha waves in your brain. These waves are linked to mental relaxation and may help fight stress signals. L-theanine also modifies the effects of caffeine in your body, increasing alertness without causing the drowsiness that often follows coffee consumption. Thus, matcha tea may provide a milder and longer-lasting buzz than coffee. L-theanine can also increase the number of feel-good chemicals in your brain, leading to improved mood, memory, and concentration. Furthermore, studies indicate that powdered green tea may improve brain function and reduce age-related mental decline in older adults. Safety and side effects. Some side effects and risks are associated with matcha consumption. Because matcha is highly concentrated in both beneficial and harmful substances, it's generally not recommended to drink more than 2 cups per day. Contaminants. By consuming matcha powder, you are really ingesting the whole tea leaf along with everything it contains. Matcha leaves may harbor contaminants including heavy metals, pesticides, and fluoride from the soil in which the plant grows. Using organic matcha may reduce your risk of exposure to pesticides, but even organic leaves may still contain substances from the soil that are harmful when ingested in large amounts. Liver and kidney toxicity. Matcha contains about 3 times more antioxidants than high-quality regular green tea. As such, 2 cups of matcha may provide equal amounts of plant compounds as 6 cups of other high-quality green teas. While individual tolerance varies, high levels of the plant compounds found in matcha may cause nausea and symptoms of liver or kidney toxicity. Some individuals have shown signs of liver toxicity after consuming just 6 cups of green tea daily for 4 months or about 2 daily cups of matcha. If you like our video, get your thumbs up, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay in touch. Have a nice and healthy life.